Hi all, Carol here. Well, earlier I took a 10 by 10. I have these 4 colors and I wanted to see how they would look together. It's just a test and I didn't like it. I played with it, I didn't like it. I tried pouring on more of the paint, definitely didn't like it. So I scraped off all the paint, I saved it, mixed it all together. It's a very nice lavender color, rather on the dark side. I'll use it for something else. Cleaned off, well, this isn't clean, but cleaned off the excess paint at least, and I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to do a puddle pour. I have the magenta. I use the same cups, no sense dirtying new cups. Landfills have enough in them. I have this ultramarine type color here, and I had mixed a dark blue and a light blue, a little light blue, and a little magenta, a little purple, just to make that pop a bit more. I have violet. The last time the violet just took over, or purple. I'm going to put less in here. And I have the metallic white. So I'm going to lead with the metallic white. I'm going to make puddles. Just pour it same way. This is basically just seeing if I like the color combination. It's not whether it's a great piece or not. It's just whether the colors go well together. I'm going to torch it. I didn't torch it before I did this. Well, I like where it blends. Could use a bit more white. I can see where the bubbles are, the white came up, so maybe not putting it down first would be a good idea. Put it more on top. I think this gives me ideas. And I think it's too much purple. I think the maroon. I think what I will do is not use this color combination and make some adjustments so that it has is softer and it looks more cohesive. But it's a good way to, I know you use up paint and you use up a canvas, but it is a good way to get a feel for it without putting it on a large canvas. Okay, well, at least it's better than the first one I did, which will be a video you could see. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you have ideas, something better than this, that would be wonderful to hear from you. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.